Hey guys, welcome back. How's everyone? This is Real Life Realtors with a brand new series where we give insights and advice on your real estate journey.
Today we are excited to focus on the allure of Sentosa Cove. Sentosa Cove was marketed as the most desirable address and pitched as a playground for the rich and famous. So how did the island behind death become one of Singapore's most prestigious locations for real estate? Why are the properties here so expensive and how much does it cost to own one? Let's get into it.
First, let's go through a brief history on Sentosa, previously known as Pulau Belakang Mati, which translates to Island Behind Death. The island was used as a defence port to protect its shipping passage during the British colonial rule. It was only in 1974 when the island was renamed to Sentosa, which is the Malay term for tranquility. The island then began a major facelift to include cable cars, resorts and golf courses. After that came the theme park and casino. Real estate would also be included to complete the transformation into the most luxurious and Epicurean feel if you want to live outside the city.
Now let's talk about the real estate aspect of Sentosa, also known as Sentosa Cove, which is located on the island fringe and is a gated community within itself. Sentosa Cove is the only place in Singapore where foreigners can buy a landed property. So naturally, the highest transaction in Sentosa Cove was purchased by a foreigner for a 15,000 square feet bungalow at a whopping 36 million. Even for an entry-level purchase, you will need to fork out at least 2.5 million for an apartment. The prestige of having a Sentosa Cove address printed on your IC is so bewitching that many Singaporeans spend their $2.5 million to have a weekend home in Sentosa, even though they can easily afford a larger size apartment in Orchard Road today.
So, what's available in Sentosa today? A 4-bedroom apartment will cost you 4.2 million Singapore dollars in Marina Collection, or a 3-bedroom apartment in Turquoise will set you back about 3.07 million dollars. These are some brand new developments if you wish to satisfy your needs for a holiday home.
So, is it a good time to buy into Sentosa Cove today? Prices in Sentosa have seen a 20 to 30% drop, but the level of market activity has been active. Rentability has driven up drastically as more affluent tenants want to enjoy the tranquility and serenity Sentosa brings. So the answer is, it really doesn't matter. Just like owning a horse stable or collecting arts and antiques, owning a property in Sentosa Cove remains a rich man's game. It will continue to be coveted real estate for aspiring individuals. So if you can afford and choose to buy a property in Sentosa Cove, then you know you have made it. So there is never a good time.
We hope you found this useful. If you would like to see other similar videos, do let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos to help you in your real estate journey. See you!